Hi everyone, Julie here with Northern Waters Cleansing Co. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a couple of new bath bomb molds that I just created on my 3D printer. And I will show you them here. So this is like the three-piece style molds. If you're a creator, you've probably seen these around on different sites. But essentially it's got a sleeve and then two plates. And so this one is going to be for fairy bread. And so we've got one plate here, another one here. So the idea is you put in the bottom plate, put your bath bomb mixture in there, and then press the top plate on top. So I'm going to show you that one. It's going to be my first time testing it here because it really is fresh off the printer. And the other one is this massive one I thought would be fun to make. So this is for the new year. And I'm going to make a bunch of bath bombs with lots and lots of embeds. I'm probably going to end up spraying this like the bath bomb at the end, probably a gold color or something like that. But again, this is a three-piece kind of mold. So in this case, because there's some detail on one of the plates, I have marked the plate that has the detail on it. And then I will be packing in my bath bomb mixture around the details first, then putting in embeds, and then a little more bath bomb mixture, and then pressing it down on top to give me the bath bomb. So I hope that you stick around and check out how I do this, and hopefully you learn something or just think it's cool. Again, these are fresh off of my 3D printer, so this will be my first time trying them too. Okay, so I don't know if you guys noticed what I did there, but yeah, don't adjust your screens. I didn't flip my lettering on my 3D printer. It's mirrored. So these ones that were supposed to say 2020, I'm not really concerned that they don't look good because yeah, 2020 isn't even the right way. But these other ones, I thought, you know what, I'll just make a couple of like really huge plain ones. We'll see if they dry, and maybe I'll paint them up and give them away. So if you don't follow me over on Instagram, then I highly suggest you do. You can either find the link down below in the description, or you can just go to Instagram and search Northern Waters Cleansing Co. And if you follow my stories, then you might just see a giveaway for these two once they're all actually done up nicely and painted and pretty. You'll probably see a giveaway there for them. So these are, they're both about 500 grams. So that's like a massive bath bomb. Massive. But they should be fun when they're all done. So yeah, thanks so much for watching today, guys. I hope you liked the fairy bread. That actually turned out really well. I'm really pleased with that one. And this mold, obviously, could use a little bit of work. All right, take care, everybody, and we'll see you all next time. Bye.